2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, CD player, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear wiper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.